Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to check on this BMW 1 Series 118i 2007 and the engine version is E87, and I would like to show you guys how to check the oil level. So you need to plug in this key, and then to check the oil level you need to start the engine. After that, press on this button as a function button, and then you push on the option to up or down to turn this until you search the oil check icon, and then you press this again. As this going, and then you can see that this running and figure out how the level of the oil in your engine, and you just give a while for a wait, and here it show up the minimum and the maximum. So when the oil level is fall down to the minimum, under the minimum you need to add on the oil level, add on the engine oil. If there's over the maximum level, and then you need to send to the mechanic, or you can drain the oil by yourself. Okay, so after the check it show okay. So by the way, you also can see on if you do have the user manual, you can check on the notebook. User manual should be on page 99. Okay, it will show you how to check the engine level and how it's say by the user manual. Okay.